Hello to all SOLIDWORKS users and welcome to the 23rd SOLIDWORKS Power User Challenge. This challenge is proposed by JR. You can open the challenge file in SOLIDWORKS 2016 or newer. Once open, you will find out it has 224 surface bodies and one sketch. The goal is to use the circle in the sketch to trim all these bodies the fastest way possible. Keep in mind that the circle itself can be modified. So once you finish your trimming, everything that's inside this circle should stay there. So if I decide to vary this dimension, you should see the effect immediately. So everything that is completely inside the circle should stay there. Anything that is being intersected by the circle should be trimmed with the circle itself. You can submit a workflow in SOLIDWORKS or a macro, an application, any type of programming that would enable this automated parametric update. Good luck.